Good morning, traders. So we are there this morning to continue our review on FundedNext.com, which is one of the best prop firm of the industry. Um, so morning, everybody. We'll let some time people entering the stream. Then we're gonna start that. Hope y'all have a wonderful morning. So yesterday, trading night was pretty good. We were holding our positions from the past streams on gold long, and they were very productive. So I will show you that after. This morning, we will continue the review about fundednext.com. You can see here the website. They have big promotion right now with 90% profit share and a 150% reward, which does mean you're gonna get refunded 150% of the price of your challenge when you pass the challenge. So for example, you come on the website, start challenge, and they have all their plan there. For me, for this review, for this one, I choose the Stellar one step model. I choose this one because the Stellar model is one of their most popular account, and they have the choice between two step and one step. So two step is you have two account to pass. First one you need to make 8% profit without losing 10%, and the second account you need to make 5% without losing 10% as well, with a 5% uh, maximum daily loss. And news trading are allowed as well, and you can see that the balance based drawdown is on as well. So it's a pretty clean challenge, but for me I choose the one step. So the difference between both are the profit is that you only have one account to pass. I need to uh, make a 10% gain without losing 6% with a 3% daily maximum loss. So pretty clean, pretty clean. It's there the challenge. You can see the price plan for a $6,000 account. It will cost you $65, and for a 200 k account it will cost you 1099 dollars. So the price are normal, and they don't have big rebate on that as well, as you can see. So it's a pleasure to be with you guys this morning. We will continue to review this firm, and I will show you my trade as well. So let's go to the account. Here is the dashboard. You can see the dashboard by clicking on the page right button right here, dashboard button. So you click there. It's always taking a little bit of time. So we can see here our information, the account detail, account credential, master password, investor password, everything. And in the dashboard, when you come here at the middle of the page, you have the stats. So for example, right now my balance is at this number. We made $378 of profit, which is 2.53%. So after 7 trading days, which I trade only 4 days on that, we are up 2.53%, which is pretty good. I need like 3 more weeks like that to pass the challenge, and after we gonna get fund. Take note that I made 2.53% only in 4 days of trading, not 7, because I didn't trade the 3 first days. So that's mean we can and it was not my best week ever. So we can have worse week than that as well. But um, yeah, so we can pass the challenge in 2 week in 2 weeks, uh, in the next 2 weeks, or maybe 1 month in the next month as well. So in the middle of the page, you can see your stats in the FundedNext dashboard. Then you come here, you have your trading objectives. So you can see your permitted daily loss limit right here, which for me usually it's $4,050. But right now, because we made profit yesterday, my today permitted loss will be $662. The overall loss limit on that account will be right now, normally it's $900. Right now it's $1,278. The minimum trading days is 2 day for this challenge, with it's already passed, and a profit target is 1.5k, which I already made $378 for 2.5% out of 10. All right. So you can tell me in the chat, write in the chat if you think this is good result. Taking note that I'm trading low risk on that account, so I'm risking 0.5 to 1% maximum per trade. And I'm taking one trade per day maximum as well. We can have some days that I'm not trading. So let's start. Let's get on the chart, guys. If you have any chart that you want me to look with you, you just have to put it in the chat box and I will look the pair with you. Gold, 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 gold. Our target was achieved this morning on gold during the night, I can say. Remember that we were going long on gold since Monday. First entry was so around this line right here, and we added some position right there. I will show you why we entered this trade this morning, this week. Okay, so overall trend on gold was bullish. Okay, as last week I explained, we come from an impulsive. We created a higher high and lower high with an impulsive wave from the 61.8. Okay, this is why we got our take profit just there on the 0.618 minus 0.618% of Fibonacci. So we didn't take position here, took position here in the past week, but once we broke to the upside, we took some long in the past week during the live stream, but the first long of the week was from here, a break and a pullback to the past resistance that's become supportive area with a double bottom right here with our 50 MAs backing up as well. So if we're coming, this was the long-term view. So at this moment, from there, I was predicted that we coming at least at the minus 0.27, minus 61.8, and maybe for $2,720 in the next weeks. Okay, so if we come on the M30 time frame, I was waiting for a higher high made on the M30 time frame. That we got a higher high on the 14th January. That's, you can see here, market created higher high. Since it was a small time frame trade, I come here, draw my fibs, and we can see big price action from the 61.8. Okay, 61.8 was past a little bit below, but after that we can see that we got a big engulfing candle, a retest of the 61.8, and we started the impulsive wave. So we took a long position around this level, around on this candle right here. Stop was below the past low of the market, and take profit, which got achieved right here for 350 pip. This trade was called on the Monday live stream as well, and we followed this up all the way through today as well. So this was our first entry. I will mark and take note that all the trade have been closed on the profit right here. Uh, so then was our first trade, first position on that long. Then we can see that we hit our first target because I was multiple having multiple target on this entry. I was having first target here, and we took another position, long position, yesterday morning when we broke and pulled back through the last high here with a 61.8 engulfing candle, everything with us. So we can see that the past high of the market right here got retested with a break and pull back like this. Could put my line a little bit more. Break with this impulsive of the resistance and pull back right into the past high of the market with the trend line and everything. 61.8 got topped and got rejected. If we're going on the M30 time frame, big engulfing candle, we entered the trade right after went entered the trade right on the 61.8 because you can see that on first we touched the 61.8, got a nice reaction from it, then second candle touched the 61.8 and the structure and reacted from it. So I was waiting for a comeback to the 61.8. Boom, position entered, stop loss were below the last low of the market, which is just there. We got a pretty nice risk reward on that one. First target was the past high, so 166 pip, and the second target was on 295 pip, around $2,709. So pretty decent trade this week, guys. We got gold right on point, right on point. Beautiful trade. First position 360 pip. Second position 300 pip for a total of 660 pip during this live stream with you on gold, guys. Only with two position. Was pretty a decent week. Remember in the last week I was down 1%. So Monday morning when we start trading, I was down 1%. So this week I made 3.5% of profit. You can tell me if you think it's a good result. Uh, I think it's pretty good result with the risk that I'm using. So you can see here in the page on the left column that we have platform and MT5 web terminal because I have choose a MT5 web terminal. So let's see our trading history. I will show you the trading history. Okay, so first trade I've started with a loss of 1% when I start trading this account last week. Then we lose another trade, and what I want to show you guys, it's the importance of using a good risk management when you trade the forex market. And it's very important when you trade a prop account, you need to use good risk management. So I will show you that. You can read that as well in my FundedNext. You can see here utilities, I think, and their ebook right here. So first thing first, before looking at take a look to their ebook. which give us a good value and good trading rules that you need to follow. Uh, we will go and take a look at our economic calendar of this morning because we have big news on the US dollar, as you can see in 9 minutes, guys. We have, as high impact news, jobless claim, initial jobless claim, continuing jobless claim. We have retail sale for December. So it will be pretty interesting to see that. We can see the previous result with the consensus, and the actual result will made an impact on the market. So we will see the reaction. We saw the reaction in the past days with news. Yesterday news was pretty good for us. We were long from here, and the news pop us right into the first target. This was the news candle yesterday. So we hit our first target with the news, which was pretty good. So 9 minute the news, we will come back to that. So we can see the prop trader secret by my FundedNext. You can scan that to see it on your cell phone. So this is their team, pretty much clean. They have Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So the first part that I want to show you, and it's reflecting to my trading account, is the ML versus the AW law. Okay, we'll show you that. What is the ML versus AW law? Is they say that to become a profitable prop trader, your average win has to be greater than your maximum loss. So your average win has to be so your wins need to be higher than your biggest loss. Okay, so this is our first and good rules that you want to follow once you come to trade a prop trading account. Okay, so if we're looking at I never lost more than 1% on one trade. You can see minus $141, minus 50, minus 22, and boom, my first win, two times the amount of my first loss. So 250 $75 then loss. My trading strategy consists to entering on precise level on gold with small stop loss, looking for a reaction from that level. If we have no reaction, if the level is not respected, I'm gonna close the trade, as you can see here. But if the level is respected, we have good position, and I'm looking to add more position through the process in the with the impulsive and the corrective wave. So that's pretty much it. It's more detailed than that, that's for sure, but that's pretty much it. So my little loss, you see first win. So in my trading story, you can see a lot of loss. There are small loss. Then when I'm winning big. So $255 little loss. This one was I didn't like the price action after a big gain, so we had to close this position. Small loss, as you can see, and boom, boom, boom. This was one trade, so $300, $223. This was one trade with two position. As you see, I'm sometime targeting multiple level in the market. So this trade was around 200 $300, and this one $223. So my win are bigger than my bigger loss. Okay, so this is a concept that they talk about here, and it's pretty important when it's come to trading our sorry, I was reading that. So yeah, it's a rule that it's very important when it's come to trade prop trading account. Less than 7% of the trader can keep their ML versus AW ratio below 0.5%. Trader we can keep their ML versus AW ratio below 1 are getting around 52% of the payout disturbance. Their average winning trade are usually bigger than the highest losing trade, which is pretty it makes sense, guys. When you lose, you want to have small loss, and when you win, you want to have big win. They never lost excessively surpass their average winning profit. So they never have one trade that they keep it running in loss and want to like holding it. Prop firm traders and profitable traders have a good strategy and a consistent strategy if you want to make profit for years. We have news in 3 minutes. We will come back to that later. So gold is want to go higher, going higher, guys. So take note that I'm never taking a trade during a news or just before a news. I will hold my trade with stop loss break even in the case that I have already entries running in profit when a news come. Thirsty this morning. Yeah, so USD CAD we got this trade in last week. Perfect trade and pulse corrective 6.61.8 EMAs with past structure to the next structure right here. Melted since last week. I missed this trade. Unfortunately, I miss all the trade on Palnian. It's been too long I not trade Palnian. I was always trading Palnian in the past. Right now, I'm more on gold. Palnian is not trending as it was. Oh, sorry. In 50 seconds. Trading FundedNext Stellar One Step Account Challenge. We just reviewed the ebook, which is pretty clean. Let's take a look at gold with the news reaction. We are trying to break higher to the next level. Let's look. Let's take a look at that. So we have jobless, initial jobless claim coming, retail sale, retail sale in 8 seconds. I have no trade running, so no problem. And if I was having one trade, it will be stop loss at break even. So gold first reaction to the upside little bit. The the result are a lot worse. Sorry, it's not there. So for the jobless claim is worse than expected. Retail sale worse than expected. So let's see how it will impact the market. For now, no big reaction, not as yesterday. Yesterday we got in 1 minute 100 pip candles. So here we got a 37 pips candle till now. I think gold at this point gonna come back, gonna come into $2,720. No opportunity to enter this trade with my strategy this morning with the 50%. we can see that gold making good stare and pulls, corrective and pulls, corrective right on top. I was looking for an entry just there, unfortunately. But I have had no position running, so I will not take this trade. Okay, guys, so I need to come back for 5 minutes. Please let me know if you want me to analyze any chart on the market. Put it in the chat box, or let me know your view on gold as well in the chat box, please. I will come back soon in 5 minutes. Canada. I'm from Montreal, Canada. So gold, no big reaction this morning, not as yesterday. Not big as yesterday. I have no opportunity for you guys this morning. We just came from beautiful, insane, guys. Okay, so can let me know in the chat if you see, if y'all see gold coming back in the next day at this high here, or you think it's gonna stay below 2,720. So let's take a look. So yeah, this is my trading history. I'm 100% transparent with you guys. It's not sure that I'm gonna pass this challenge, but right now we are in a good way, as we can see here. 2.5% gains in 7 trading days. They said what is 4 trading days was down -1%. Monday made 3.5% since Monday. Pretty good. So when you come to trading as well, I can give you some tip, guys. It's pretty important. Have a good routine. As you know, I'm every morning wake up at 8 a.m. Trading the market. Since I'm doing live stream, I'm trading with you guys front of the screen. Um, when I was not doing live stream, I was going to the gym right away, trading. No, I was wake up, trading a little bit, looking at the chart, then going to the gym. You can always, what is nice with forex trading is that you can always look at the market from your cell phone. When you have your analyze and your market view in your head, you don't need to like have your computer with you everywhere. You can look at the chart and update the chart from your cell phone. So this is what I'm liking from this industry. I'm in the gym the morning, some trade running from the past days in profit, training hard. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. So till now, my FundedNext, it's a pretty nice prop firm. The one ick that I find is yesterday when I was trying to close position during the news, they didn't allow me to close um my trade during the news. So remember, we were in the past live stream. The market popped to our first target, and it didn't. It and The MT5 web terminal of my funding of FundedNext, sorry, didn't trigger our take profit, and I was live with you guys trying to close my trade, and it didn't work. Didn't work. I think I lost like $50 trying to close my trade. So I'm not sure we're gonna see that uh in the next news, I guess, when I have one trade. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put your alert on, guys, um, to get notified when I start streaming every morning. I will be streaming from Monday, Tuesday, um, since 8 a.m. at 8 a.m. New York time, East time. Trading signals as well. It will be more of a kind of a journal of trading. So it will be my personal journal of trading. I will send signals, but I will explain the trade, update the trade. It will be like my personal journal, you know, how I can always look at this channel, look at my past trade, count my trade, which you guys, you can follow that, you can follow my trade, everything. We will start we will start that soon as well. So Goldie Gold reacting from his breakout from the past high going through $2,720. Goldie Gold, pretty nice. Uh, yeah, so the ebook is pretty clean. It's very important. If you are a beginner, you can go to my FundedNext, choose a challenge, and read this ebook. Will be very good for you. And they're showing like data after analyzing around 4,000 plus successful prop trader. The result will be insightful. Trust us. The key learning are profit factor. They asking you question that you can answer. Pretty nice. So here the question given below. Profit factor equal total amount generated from winning trade slash total amount lost by losing trade. For example, we're trying that. This guy have a 1.37 profit factor. So if I'm coming to my account and we're looking at the profit factor, oh, we have trading overview right here. I never see that. Profit factor 1.85. Let's go, baby. Nice. I like that. So I took 16 trade, average losing trade $43, average winning trade $175. And take note that is not like it's not a good comparison. It's a good comparison, but like when I take a trade, it's multiple position and they like I took 16 position in the market, but like with four trade, five trade. Profit factor, loss rate. You know, I'm losing 68% of my trade, but I'm still in profit of 2.5% after only 3-4 days of trading. Pretty clean. I never see that. Very nice. Oh, gold. Gold is going all the way up. to 2,720, which is pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. So, guys, I will let you on that for this morning. It's been a pleasure to be with you all the week. Next live stream will be on Monday the 20th. So next Monday, 8 a.m. I see you all here, guys. It's been a pleasure. 3.5% gain this week with a 0.5 zero point 0.5 risk per trade. So been a pleasure, guys, reviewing FundedNext with you, and getting a 1.84 profit factor with this challenge account. Thank you, guys. See you Monday, next Monday. Take care.